Welcome to Easy Weeknight Meals with Taylor Mock. I'm going to be making a sweet and sour chicken dish you are absolutely going to love. Let's get to cooking. I've already pre-chopped my boneless, skinless chicken breast. This, in my opinion, is the best chicken to use. You can absolutely use chicken breast if you would like. I'm also using our Blackstone Essential Blend. You can also just use some salt and pepper and garlic powder as well, and that will do the trick. You don't want to over season your chicken because your sauce, your pre-made sauce, is what's really going to be giving you that flavor. Behind me here on a griddle on high heat, I'm going to bump this up. I have my chicken going down. And then I'm just going to do a quick little toss on this chicken here. Chicken's looking great. We're going to move on over to our vegetables. So traditionally with sweet and sour chicken, you're going to have a red pepper served, but I also like to use yellow pepper as well. So I'm also going to put down some avocado oil. Feel free to use olive oil or any kind of oil. And we're also going to grab some onions. I went ahead because I was busy today. I bought pre-diced onions, but you don't have to do that. I also like to cut them in slices as well. So plethora of options. I'm also going to be using some broccoli as well. Broccoli is something that's traditionally served with sweet and sour as well if you get it at a takeout. I'm also going to add some water here because I want this to steam, this broccoli to steam. You don't want the broccoli to overcook with this dish. That's really important. We're going to mix all the veggies around, add some more water into the vegetables, and then we're going to dome it for just a couple of minutes. Enough for that broccoli to steam down. Taking off my dome here, my veggies look nice and steamed. I'm just gonna add a little more oil down on top and a sprinkle of that Blackstone Essential Blend on all of the veggies. Give it another quick toss, and we're gonna move on over to our chicken. Another toss on this chicken. It is looking nice and crispy. Probably 1 or 2 more minutes left on this. In the center of my griddle, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and my rice. I love this rice. It is microwavable, so all I'm doing is steaming it by adding some water, and I'm also going to dome the rice. This is going to take about 30 seconds, and then it is ready to rock. I'm going to go ahead and plate my jasmine rice first. Then I'm going to move on over to my vegetables and my chicken. I'm going to mix it all together, and here comes the most delicious part, and that is adding that sweet and sour sauce. You want to mix it up really, really well until all the flavors are combined. Now it's time to plate the rest of this. I like to put it right next to the jasmine rice versus on top, but do what you please. We're gonna move on over and we're gonna add our yummy toppings. You gotta have the sprinkle of fresh green onion, and for beauty purposes and crunch purposes, a little bit of toasted sesame seeds. And y'all, here comes the best part, and that is the eating. I am so excited to grab some of this rice, little piece of chicken, some broccoli, all the goodies in here. All right, let's go. It makes me never want to order Chinese takeout, because if I can make this at home with the flavors that it has, I mean, it was a matter of 10 minutes that this meal came together. I absolutely love it. This is a really solid, easy weeknight meal. You can keep this in your rotation weekly. I think your kids will love it. Your family would love it. You could always make a big old batch for a family helping. Just remember, you gotta keep it quick. You gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you have to keep it delicious, y'all. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.